Clueo Clinical is an education startup providing end-to-end services for STEM graduates and young professionals to enter the clinical research industry. So what that means is wherever you are on your journey, if you are a fresh graduate who just finished a science degree, biotech degree, or you are an academic who have done 10 years of research, but absolutely no experience whatsoever or no exposure to industry, we will meet you where you are and we will take care of you until you land a job. That is what end-to-end service means. So this is what Clueo Clinical offers as our signature industry bridging program. We offer core skills, which is job specific. So in other words, it is very specific for the job that the candidate is going for. It's not going to be some generic, random sort of knowledge that you need this, and you piece them together. No, we tailor each and every program for one specific job. So before the students can even enroll in our program, they need to talk to us to understand what it is they want to do in the industry. And there is a career quiz that we created with the industry experts to match your strengths, your personalities with the industry job. Because we understand that after you graduate, you look at the job board and go, I don't even know what that job description means. I don't know what this title actually entails. So that's why that gap is addressed by the career quiz that we created, so that they now understand, okay, you need a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and my strength can actually match this. So we give them that opportunity to understand themselves better as well, and give them kind of a head start with a suggestion. And on top of that, we also partner with career coaches, HR managers, and recruiters who are very experienced in this industry to train them and coach them to give them the soft skills, but also equip them with interview techniques, informational interviews, as well as behavioral interviews. So by the time they walk away from this training, from this program, not only do they know exactly what is in the job, in the industry job, they actually also know how to respond to interview questions and how to behave. So the aspect of skills and knowledge is already covered. The third aspect that is often the one that most people ask and ignore the first two is, how do I get an internship in the industry? So we partner with industry organizations to offer our students, graduates, with an internship opportunity as well. So this is something that we couple, or we bring together as an entire package in this program. And what is special and unique about Clueo Clinical, and this is why I'm so passionate about it, is because of our guarantee. So I believe that our job as an educator doesn't finish until the student actually succeeds. So we actually guarantee all of our students' success to enter the industry. We'll continue to work with them until they land the job they want. Doesn't matter how long, but usually there is a period of time that we know they will get a job. But the assurance and the support and the peace that the students obtain by being part of this program is that they know there is always someone there who will help them. It's not just anybody, these are experts. So the core skills are delivered by industry experts who have been in that role for many, many years, and give them real live experience. Tips that they can succeed and do their job well and easily as well. So these are the things that we bring together to be able to offer the next generation hope to bridge that very difficult gap. The vision that we have is we want to empower STEM graduates and young professionals. And the reason for that is because when I was working in industry and as well as in academia, I realized that there's so much talent here, so much, and it's underutilized. Because when I moved to industry, people from other countries, and I call them imports simply because more than half of the company actually came from Brazil, came from India, Thailand, South Korea, Philippines, you name it. More than half. So I used to work for two of the largest conglomerates in the clinical research industry, and more than half of the company who are residing in Australia actually not even Australians. They are from somewhere else, came here as skilled migrants. So in other words, they need skilled migrants to be able to fill the skills shortage. Yet there are so many talents here that want to get in but couldn't get in. So that's why Clueo Clinical is meeting them in the middle by addressing that skill shortage but reducing the wastage, because there's a lot of expense that goes into importing these skills from overseas.